Here I have VIVO T2 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to clear cache from this device. So firstly, you should turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after device turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. In the following menu, using volume keys to navigate and power key to select an option recovery mode. In this mode, select an option clear data and then select clear cache. Then confirm it, and after a few seconds all the cache will be wiped from this device. Then you just tap return and select an option restart, and device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.